Hey there, this is DrafterDan of DrafterDan Studios. I wanted to take this video to explain a little bit about the workshop I'm sitting in. This was started in, well, summertime 2023. This is now August of 2025. So a lot has happened since then. When I first started, well, actually pretty much most of my adult life was creating, modding, was a professional woodworker for a number of years. So I've always been a maker. Every spot I've ever worked out of in my adult life has always been a garage or, a back patio or whatever I had to work with. Similar with most makers. In 2022, ended up purchasing a new house here in Phoenix, Arizona. It checked off most of the boxes that we wanted, except that there was a big empty spot in the yard. I thought this was a great space for a workshop. I ended up creating a workshop from scratch. This was about 12 by 20 in size, 12 feet by 20 feet, which is about 3.8 by 6 meters. Cleared the land, put down a concrete pad. I had that. I'm not a concrete guy. I had that done for me. And then a company came out and essentially put in a metal shed that was right out of catalog.
Oye, entonces César bajó la...
Nothing terribly exciting, but it was a space that I could call my own. From there, I did all of the interior work, all of the wiring of the 120 and 220 volt lines. It was all done to specifications for the state of Arizona. It had to pass local regulations to get a green tag for approval. So this is a quick video just to show some of the images that I had taken along the way. So the first part was designing the building, how it is laid out, where the equipment, where the tools sit, where the outlets were. And here's my father, John, doing layout of the design for me. He's refining some of the ideas that I had put together, but his help was invaluable in this. So I may have gotten a little bit ahead of myself with that last image, but what I ended up with is a big empty box. I wanted to have plywood everywhere so I can hang anything I wanted anywhere. So that was the next steps here. I wanted to fur out the walls, and here I've got some blocking for countertops. And yes, the shop is a horrific mess, but it was a work in progress. Here I had the idea of putting in some fiberglass reinforced panels behind the machinery, the mill and the lathe, so I don't get cutting fluid all over the place. Okay, so this is the fun part. We did the simple thing, which was rent the trencher from the local home improvement store. Got it out there, figured out how to use the darn thing. Trenching went okay. It wasn't awesome. The Arizona dirt is like clay. It needs explosives and jackhammers usually, but this seemed to do the job. Well, after that was fixed, I was able to complete the AMT pipe run and get the wiring going. You could see here I put the plywood horizontally so I could have access to the wiring in case I never did need to do future stuff. Furring on the walls, plywood going up. We are getting really, really close to being able to make this a workable workshop. Welcome to the workshop. This is how it looks today. So on this side we have the woodworking side, chop saws, basic tools. This side we have the metal shop side. We have the middle, we have the lathe, we have welding equipment, and we have room to work. things are coming together nicely. So it's ready to do things in it, so let's get to work.